Welcome to Secret Agent Tag, a brilliant tagging game for ages 6 to 13. We hope you enjoy. In this game, you won't really need any equipment, but you may need some cones to mark out the playing area. Start by gathering your students around and sitting them down in front of you. You then need to ask them to close their eyes and cover their eyes so that they can't see. Then you'll go around and tap them on the shoulder to give them a specific role. If you tap them on the shoulder twice, that means they're going to be a secret agent. The secret agents are the freers in this game, the only people that are allowed to free the others. Then if you tap any of the students once on the shoulder, they will be the villains. These are the taggers. So as you're walking around, make sure you remind them, if I tap you twice, you're going to be a secret agent. If I tap you once, you're going to be a villain, one of the taggers. Once you've done that and you've decided how many taggers and freers there are going to be, how many villains and secret agents, then you can ask them to open their eyes and spread out into the playing area, ready to start the game. They obviously don't know who the taggers and the freers are at this point, so they've got no idea who is who, which always starts off with quite a lot of excitement to the game, which is brilliant. On your signal, the game then starts, and the taggers try and run around and tag as many people as they can. They also need to try and figure out who the other tagger is and who the other secret agents are. So they'll run around, if they tag someone, then that person needs to crouch down or sit down. So people will start to be sat down. Then the secret agents are the only people in the game that are allowed to rescue someone. And to rescue someone, they go up to them and they tap them on the shoulder, and then they're free to go. So this is where it starts to get tactical, because the secret agents can either run around and just start saving everyone as much as they can, but then they draw attention to themselves, or they can go and sneak around and try and tap people on the shoulder and save them quietly. The then taggers need to try and figure out who the secret agents are, because if they can do that, and if they can tag both of the secret agents, then it's just a matter of time until the game is over. Or in some variations, you can just play that once the secret agents are all tagged, then the game stops. But it's a really fun game. There's lots of tactics and strategy involved, and kids of all ages absolutely love this one. So we hope you enjoy, and we look forward to hearing how you get on. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you had fun in today's game, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.